All right, guys, as you can see that this is going to be a lip gloss tutorial, so we're just gonna go ahead and get straight into it. Here I am using the TKB trading lip gloss base. This is, I think, a 5.5 ounce. So I use the glove to kind of see which color I want to use. And what's crazy is I'm going to mix them all together here in a minute. And it's going to give me like this cute behind color that I didn't even expect. You see? Yeah, there we go. I kind of didn't realize I wasn't on camera the whole time. But when I realized like, sheesh, that color is great, right? So pretty. So here I'm just going to add about 4 or 5 drops of that brown color that I was going to use. And it's actually really brown. It was the wrong one I grabbed, but luckily it didn't do anything too damaging to the lip gloss to where I couldn't use it. I have a chocolate lip gloss already, so I mean I could have used this for my chocolate drop lip gloss. But it's kind of like a clearish brown, which means, you know, there's still room for that pink in there to create the desired nudish kind of pink that we're going for. So it looks like a Tootsie Roll right now, but just in the meantime. So here we're gonna just go ahead and use the TKB Baby Girl Pink, and I'm gonna add a lot of that. And that should definitely start us off to getting that desired nude color, so stay tuned. So here I'm adding just a little more so that I can give it a little bit more of a pinkish color. I also added a different pink because I realized when I mixed all the pinks together, it gave me the desired color. Also, that color is more of a mauvish kind of pink. But once all of them are mixed in together, you'll see that we're gonna have a beautiful. So here I'm just testing it on my glove to see if it is the color that I want and the consistency, and also how it looks when you smooth it, you know, on a surface, which would be your lips. But it definitely is the color I was going for. It's the perfect pink to fit all girls of all skin tones, and also it is great for a brown lippy, well, a brown lip liner, and also a lip gloss to create an ombre effect. So